how to fix your Lenovo ThinkPad is not turning on. So if you're seeing a black screen or a blinking light on your laptop, I'm going to show you 2 ways on how to solve this issue. So the first thing you want to try doing is resetting your display. Now to do this, you'll need to hold down the following keys on your keyboard. We're going to hold down the Windows key, the Control key, the Shift key, and also the letter B all at the same time. Now once you've held these buttons down for a couple of seconds, your screen should go and turn on. Now, if it's still not working, there is one final solution. So what you'll need to do is go and disconnect your computer from the charging cable. Also disconnect any other cables going to your laptop. So this could be any USB cables you currently have connected. Once everything's been disconnected, you need to hold down the power button for around about 45 seconds. So even when the screen goes black, continue to hold the power button down, and after 45 seconds, go and release this button. You can then grab your charging cable and place your laptop on charge. Now hold down the power button for 1 to 2 seconds. You can then try turning on your computer, and that should have now solved the black screen issue.